So if you're wondering why are you getting so many LinkedIn newsletter requests these days, or why so many people are going live on LinkedIn these days, so this is because LinkedIn has now allowed creator access or creator mode to normal people, and you can also get access to the creator mode on LinkedIn. Now, how do you get that access? That is what I'm going to share in this video with you. So before I tell you how do you get that access, let me just show you what are the requirements you need to fulfill to get LinkedIn creator mode access, or that follow button access instead of a connect button. So with the creator mode, you get LinkedIn live video access, that's one, and LinkedIn newsletters. Now, what are the requirements you need to fulfill? So if you go here, so to get access for LinkedIn creator mode, you should be eligible for the following criteria. So an audience of 150 followers or connection, you should have that. Then recent shares on LinkedIn of your original content. It can be text, it can be image, video, or it can be article. So you should have shared something in the past. And then a history of abiding by professional community policies of LinkedIn, which I'm sure you must be doing already. And then geographic location is not mainland China. If you are fulfilling these criteria, you are eligible to get access to LinkedIn creator mode, and you'll get access to LinkedIn live video and LinkedIn newsletter as well. So let us now see how do you get access to LinkedIn creator mode. Just come to your profile, LinkedIn profile, scroll down to the section resources. You will find a section here, creator mode. You'll only get this section, as I said, if you have at least 150 followers or connections. If you click on this mode, it'll give you what are the topics in your niche, in your hashtag on which you are sharing content. And if you need to fill at least up to 5 hashtags or topics here, it is optional. You can skip this step as well. Once you're done, you can just click on done, and you will see an on button here. That means your creator mode is on now. You can also switch it off if you don't like. So you can just go there and just turn off creator mode from this section, and that's all. Just click on done. So you can on and off creator mode anytime. This creator mode will also add a follow button here. So next time people will not see connect button on your profile, they'll see a follow button on your profile. So that's one of the feature of LinkedIn creator mode. I'm sure this video was helpful to you. You can also check out this video here on how to find work from home jobs or remote jobs on LinkedIn. I'm sure you're going to like this video as well. And until next video, thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next one.